Prayagraj Mahakumbh 25. There's a mass of stampede in the Mahakumbh fair. There's a probability of many people dying. This is the big information we are getting right now. So I am connected with my reporter. Can you hear me? Vikas?
Yes, Abhishek. Yeah, right now I'm on the spot where stampede just happened now. This is the place where the stampede just happened. Where 10 crores devotees, pilgrims are believed to have participated in holy dip on the day of Mahasnan, day of Amrit Snan in midnight. 1:30 a.m. to 2 or 2:30. Some people crashed by huge amount of crowd. Where some people crashed, people killed people. Yeah, a huge amount of crowd just break the barricades and everything is scattered over here. Scattered over here of devotees of people who injured. Devotees just got stuck over here and they could not get up again and run from the spot and crushed by crowd. And after asking from some eyewitnesses, I get to know that people are sent to healthcare center.
Because
Yes.
I want to know about how many people were dying on that the exact time. How many people were died?
Yeah, it's being said that there are 12 to 13 people are died and many of them injured. Now we are on the center, we are on the healthcare center. Currently many ambulances are coming and going speedy. So sir, what happened, sir? Sir, what happened? So you can see no one is ready to reply, no one is ready to answer. This is a very bad condition, extremely sad.
Because I also intervene right now. What was the reason according to the people? What they think and what was the situation at that time?
Some eyewitnesses said there was a path of arenas of sadhus, and there was two paths also in the left and right of this. So these three paths are barricaded, and when the crowd immediately gathered, then people forced
Okay, thank you, Vikas. Right now we have a senior analyst in our panel. Mr. Dev, what do you think about the situation right now, and what do you think what was the causes?
Yes, Abhishek, actually we cannot blame on the management as well as the crowd, because the incident happened because there was too much of crowd gathered at this religious place. 2% of India's population gathered at 20 kilometer area, and when they forced police, people were about to turn the police barricades and gathered and breaking all of the barricades. When police opened, then for going out and coming, both gates become one. So that incident happens. UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, in a statement, and the administration was overwhelmed by the huge crowds covering at the Mela for Pani Amavasya, for a holy day, because that was a significant role in at this Mahakumbh. So no one could go out and died and injured. Actually, there is a video clip of the police commissioner.
Dev, I want to ask you about one thing more. What was we have a right now we after independence there are so many comes happened in India. So what do you think was the reason? How many people in 1954 when the Pandit ji was the Prime Minister of India, there also in Haridwar there were so many people died. What do you think about them?
At that time, people don't know about the guidelines and the VIPs. When the Nehru ji came and the crowd before him also came, because he is a VIP of that place.
Okay.
He also came with.
Okay. Now I'm connecting to Vikas. Vikas, have you talked about anyone in the area of Kumbh? Anyone possible to get? What do you think about what were the sources of what was the facility of the area, the hospitals, and they are taking care of anyone on right now. Right now, I am getting 12 to 13 people on the spot died.
Yeah, it is the news yet 12 to 13 people are died yet, and more than 60 people are injured, and some eyewitnesses said there was a three path, two emergency and one arenas of sadhus going to sadhus to Holy Dip, and when the people gathered too much, then police opened all barricades, but there near these three ghats, some people was resting who arrived early. So the police commissioner also generated a warning to them, but they were sleeping, and they were crushed by the crowd and could not get up again. So the incident happened with cameraman Sandy Vikas Dangi, ABCD News.
Dave, you heard Vikas.
Yeah, I heard Vikas. As Vikas said, the people are sleeping on the banks of the Holy River. As the police commissioner also warning the sleeping people to leave the place just to people sleeping on the river banks. He gave a warning for the people of upcoming danger to them, but some of them ignore because they think about themselves. Now results are coming out with 30 deaths, at least 60 injured, and still there is no specific counting of last members.
Okay, thank you for being a part of our new channel, Dave. So right now we have to understand the one thing. We are celebrating the Mahakumbh area, Mahakumbh 125. There are so many people died. There is no information about how many people were dying in the Kumbh. So I am telling everyone go safe manner. So we need to understand the one thing. UP government assuming 40 crore people will be the part of the Mahakumbh. So we need to understand the small area. So many people will stay in there, and being a selfish, I would not to say that, but that is the definition of selfish, because people was sleeping at the near of the river, and the mob will came out and they were died because of so many people in a particular some area. So we need to understand at that point, take a holy dip and go for the home. That is a very safe. Do not resident for the more than days. I am suggesting that right now. Please, we have so many people in our life. If you lose someone, there are so many people. Army officer also loses mom because of the mob area. So many people, children were dying. In my conclusion, please go in a safe manner and come back to our own home. You watching ABCD News, and subscribe and watch the whole news again and again. We are support our channel. Thank you so much.